In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace tutorial, how to remove header navigation from Squarespace page. Phil Palin. First, open your Squarespace site and head to your site's dashboard. From there, click into the website panel. This is the control center where you manage the look and structure of your site, including what shows up in your header. Next, go to the Pages section. Your header navigation pulls directly from the main navigation area you'll see here. To remove items from the header, select the highlighted navigation items one at a time. When you select an item you no longer want in the header, choose the option to delete the link and confirm when prompted. You'll see a confirmation dialog each time. Go ahead and confirm to proceed. If you have multiple links to remove, repeat this process for each highlighted item, confirming after every removal. A quick note on what you're doing here. Deleting a link from main navigation removes it from the header. This is perfect when you want a clean landing page or a minimalist menu. If you accidentally remove more than you intended, don't worry, you can restore it. To do that, open the Deleted Pages section, sometimes labeled as the Recycle bin. Click into Deleted Pages, find the item you removed, and choose Restore. Confirm the restore when asked. This brings the page or link back so you can decide whether to keep it, move it elsewhere, or remove it again. It's a good safety net while you fine-tune your header. When you're finished tidying up, return to the main website view and navigate back to your home area to preview the result. Look at your header to make sure the items you removed are no longer visible. If you manage multiple pages or templates, scan a couple of pages to confirm the header is consistent. Once everything looks right, click Publish your site. Publishing pushes the changes live so visitors will see your updated header. If you don't see the changes immediately on the live site, refresh your browser or clear your cache. Also, take a quick look on mobile to ensure the hamburger menu reflects the same updates. That's all it takes. By managing links in the Pages panel and confirming each removal, you can quickly hide or streamline your header navigation. And if you ever need to undo a change, the Deleted Pages area has you covered. Publish when you're happy, and your clean, focused header is ready for visitors.